Today for our unboxing video we have a 56-inch Hampton Bay Antigua designer edition, and it's in the Flemish brass. That's my dog there. Might make some appearances in the video, but whatever, let's just get to this unboxing. So, what do we have here? We got blades there. For any of you who don't know, this can actually, how do I even say it? Of course, this one can have an optional light kit. Hampton Bay. They even used to make a Hampton Bay Antigua light kit specifically for this fan, which hopefully I can get one of those in Flemish brass, because that's what this fan is, a Flemish brass fan. What else do we have here? Some stupid, useless information cards there, whatever. The useless instructions. This is the Hampton Bay Antigua designer edition, model 278753. I'm not going to even need those or these. I'll just keep them for now. Other than all that, we have these nice blades. You see, these are carved blades. Sure seems like it. Highly doubt someone would just sit there and hand carve like 10 freaking thousand of these. Maybe the original one was hand carved and they put in like a mold machine kind of thing, and that's why they all look just about the same. Styrofoam, I seriously hate styrofoam. We'll bring the camera close up to the box here. I hate styrofoam. We have mounting hardware, wire, nuts, blade screws, the Hampton Bay pull chain, a balancing kit. Some of you guys might be wondering, oh no, that does it even have blade iron screws? Well, to answer that question, I'm gonna grab one of the blade irons here. Kind of scratched up, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me. This, actually, the screws just stay in place, and it has this little slot there that goes into the motor. That's what Hampton Bay, they call it the Accurate arm. Yep, that's what the Hampton Bay AccuArm thing is. For anyone who doesn't know, that just makes this fan such a dream to work with, especially with a switch housing kind of like this. And we have a 6-inch down rod, which I'll probably 6-inch down rod, which I'll probably use that when I install this. Right here we have, I believe it's a 4-inch down rod, the original one, with the ball attached to it. The top coupling cover, which has a really nice design. I really like it. Switch housing here. I'm gonna take it out right now and hope that the pull chain works. Well, that's good that it works, because if some of you guys been watching my channel since 2023. Some of you guys might know I unboxed a Hampton Bay Palm Beach ceiling fan, the galvanized textured white one. As I tried to pull the pull chain, initially it freaking busted, so I had to replace the daggone thing. So that's just kind of ludicrous. I don't know or care how that even happened. It's just irrelevant at this point. We have the canopy. It's a really nice design. And probably the fun part. Let me get it out of the package here. We have the fan motor itself. There's freaking tape on there. I'll remove that later. There's the Hampton Bay logo. Some of the information's there. You can pause and read these if you so desire to. Made in Taiwan, not made in China. January 2003, so I heard that these came out in 2003, so this theoretically might be one of the first ones, if not the very first one that was made. I don't know. Ugh. Sticky tape. That thing's been in the box for 20 years, so. Yuck. That should explain something. I'm gonna get all the parts laid out here. So I am just soon gonna install it. I'll leave those in there. This gasket here, that's for flush mounting, which I don't like to do that. Some cases where it may have been done, it's just foolish. Like on a 9-foot ceiling, you probably want like a 6-inch down rod, or perhaps even a 12-inch down rod to better circulate the air. I'll try and fit as much of this into the picture as possible. That's a 6-inch down rod. That's the one I'm gonna use. And I'm doing this outside, so I have the towel here. kind of scratched right out of the box. That's kind of weird. I don't know how that could have happened. I'm just gonna leave the blades packed for this. So that's all the parts laid out. That is the unboxing of the Hampton Bay Antigua Designer Edition ceiling fan in Flemish brass finish. Stay tuned for some videos of this fan to come.